Lava has officially announced the launch date of the Agni 3 to be October 4th. The Lava Agni 3 seems to feature a volume rocker on the left. The right side appears to have an additional button apart from the power button. The Lava Agni 3 5G features a rectangular camera module with a triple camera unit on the left side. Smartphone is teased to come in 2 color options. The Agni 3 is expected to feature a 6.78-inch Full HD plus curved edge OLED panel with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The phone is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of built-in storage. It will run on Android 14 and offer a bloatware-free experience like other Lava phones. The Lava Agni 3 could come with a quad-camera setup, a 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, a 2MP macro sensor, and a 2MP. A 5000 mAh battery has become the norm in 2024, and the Agni 3 is likely to follow suit, along with 66W fast charging. The Lava Agni 2 5G retail for 21,999 rupees. Therefore, it is likely that the Agni May 3rd arrive with similar pricing. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.